Good morning. I am Naveen Yadav from Suraj School. Today we are learning about the topic separation of substances. So, why we need to separate some substances? For example, we get a mixture of two or more substances. Why we need to separate those substances? Can be three major reasons to get separate that substance. First of all, the substance mainly substance that we get have impurities, so we have to remove that impurities from the substance. For example, when like soil mix with some substance, for example in salt and soil mix together, so we have to remove the soil from the salt. Okay, second, we may get both the substance that we have to separate it can be useful. For example, solution of water and salt, we can remove water from the salt, we can use salt as well as we can also use water, so that substance can be used further. Okay, so separation of substance. In this separation of substances, we learn about the different process from which we get separate the substances. First of it, hand pick. In this process, we remove or separate the substance by hand. For example, if grains mixed with stones or stones mixed with grains, we remove the stones and grains, separate the stone and grain from hand. This is known as hand picking. We all have seen this process at home. For example, we get to remove stones from pulses or some from grains. That is hand picking. Now, second process is threshing. In threshing, we remove the grains. Mainly in threshing, we remove the grains from crop. For that we use for the process threshing is thresher. In thresher, what we do, remove the grains from crop plant. Okay, this is threshing. What we can do, we use we crush the dry plant and remove the seeds from that plant. This is known as threshing. By crushing, what we use here, crushing, we crush the dry plant, and what we get, seeds, we get separate seeds from that plant. This is threshing. Third, winnowing. This is an important topic, winnowing. But in winnowing, what we do, we remove some small parts of the plant from seeds. Okay, for example, by the help of the weight, that is winnowing. This is an example. By this example we can understand winnowing. What we do, we put get that solution or that the mixture and put them from above. When the air blow, it take the lighter substance to the further away, and the heavy substance get down there. So because the weight, the substance get separated. This is winnowing. Okay, it is done because of the weight. The heavy substance we get near us, and the lighter substance can be thrown out because of the air. So in winnowing, what we have, we use weight. In threshing, what we use, crushing. And hand picking, what we use, by it we can be done by hand. Okay, threshing and winnowing are separate, because in threshing we crush the plant and what we get, seeds. In winnowing, what we do, we remove the small parts of the plant from the seeds because of weight. Hope you understand this topic.